Damn! Why's this game so brutal? If I didn't owe 30 grand in debt, I'd quit this lousy game for good!
Organic matter detected. New feature unlocked. Biomass. Consuming living organisms converts them into vital energy for structural enhancement.
So that's what Devour actually does. And this whole field is crawling with worker ants that can't fight back. That's not a field. That's a gold mine. Don't run! Let me drain you dry!
Forced absorption. Initiated. Organism absorbed. Biomass +2. EXP +1. Hemolytic tissue acquired. New skill unlocked. Reinforced exoskeleton. Costs 1 biomass to activate.
Finally! A real skill! Activate! This shell is incredible! Against other slimes, I'm untouchable! Damn it! You're trying to ambush me? With that squishy body of yours, you think you can crack my exoskeleton? Hand over your core!
Devouring complete. Biomass +2.9. EXP +1. New skill detected. Instinctive perception level 1. Mass expansion level 2.
Wait! I can't move! Is this... Am I evolving?
Mass expansion initiated. Biomass consumption has begun.
Oh my god, the biomass is burning through like crazy, but why does it start there and not my dick?
Mass has reached LV2. New skill unlocked.
Instinctive perception. Reinforced exoskeleton LV2.
Well, 3 centimeters isn't much to look at, but my combat stats are all up. Next time I run into one of those giants, it won't last nearly as long.
Instinctive perception activated.
Small frame. Perhaps it prioritizes speed. The risk of taking it on isn't worth worrying about.
What is it doing? Where does it get that kind of nerve? Hey, I know you're trying to get inside me, but do you have to drool all over me first?
Fuck! I can't keep defending anymore, or I'll dissolve before it does!
Biomass +4.7 units. XP +1. New skill detected. Body density LV1. Efficient digestion upgraded to LV7. Digestion speed +10%.
Now that was worth it. Absorption rate just jumped from 5.76 to 6.22 per hour, adding an extra 0.46 points in biomass intake each hour.
Activate body density.
Activation successful. 5 units of biomass have consumed.